Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving right in on how to use Todoist to track expenses. First off, let's start by creating a new project in Todoist for your expenses. Click on the plus sign on the left panel and name your project Expenses. This helps us because having a dedicated project for your expenses helps you stay organized and keep all your financial data in one place. Now that we've done that, let's create a task for each expense. Click on the plus Add Task button, write down the name of the expense, and include the amount spent in the task description. The reason we do this is because by clearly labeling each expense, you can easily remember what you spent money on and how much it cost. Next up, let's categorize our tasks using labels. You can create labels for different types of expenses, such as rent, groceries, or utilities. To add a label, just type @ followed by the label name. This is beneficial because it helps you see where most of your money is going and can help you make budget adjustments if necessary. Now, let's talk about due dates. For each expense, you can set a due date to indicate when the payment was made or needs to be made. Just click on the Schedule button and select the date. This helps us because it provides a clear timeline of your expenses, enabling you to track your spending habits over time. And finally, let's utilize Todoist's filter feature. You can create custom filters to view only certain types of expenses or to view expenses over a specific time period. For instance, you can filter by @groceries to see how much you've spent on groceries this month. This is important because it allows you to analyze specific areas of your spending and make informed financial decisions. Let me explain why this matters. By using Todoist as your expense tracker, you're gaining a simple, easy-to-use tool that not only helps you stay on top of your spending, but also helps you visualize and understand your financial habits better. Before we wrap up, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each step we took today is creating a comprehensive and organized system for your expense tracking. This way, you're ensuring that every dollar spent is accounted for and tracked. And that's it. You now have a robust system in place for tracking your expenses using Todoist. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.